memory, and we still enjoy this in the Philippines, is go early dawn to the market and enjoy this with friends who come from church, especially after our early morning mass from December 16 to December 25 until Christmas comes. The Puto Maya is not so sweet, so the mangoes help it make it sweet. The Bingkang Binisaya and Puto Maya from the Visayan Islands. I'm very happy to share this with you, and I hope you will enjoy having this for your Christmas desserts or afternoon meriendas.